Okay, so we're at rule number 7. I can't believe it, it's awesome. This is the last circle geometry rule, and it's about as taxing as all the others. Now I have two tangents. I have a tangent going through C, and I have a tangent going through B. I've got to be careful when I drag B around because it changes the size of my circle, which wouldn't be good. So there you go, I'll leave it about there. And I've got this point D that I've randomly fixed as the point where these two tangents meet. Now, as I move one or both of them, point D moves around. But the one thing that you'll have noticed is I've also put these two text boxes around. And the text boxes show that the distance from B to D and from C to D are the same. I'm just going to get rid of my angle, because if the length from D to C is the same as the length from D to B, then I should be able to say DCB and DBC is a triangle, and those two angles should be the same. So let's actually just get that sorted. So I'm going to go DCB. It's the wrong side, so I'm going to undo that. I'm going to go, I want BCD is 72 degrees, and I want CBD is 72 degrees. So I've just shown get rid of the bits I don't want, that the angles inside those triangles are the same, because the lengths inside those of those triangles are the same, and therefore it is isosceles. The only time this doesn't work is if it's a diameter, because then they're tangents and they don't meet, but every other time they do. And we also know that DCA is a right angle, and if I'm really clever, I can make another triangle which is also isosceles using rule 1. It's just stunning. So therefore I know that the angle in there, so BCA, is going to be 17, because those add up to 90, and therefore that's going to be 17, so I can work out the angle at CAB, and you begin to see how all these rules fit together. Okay, now there will be one more circle geometry video, and it's basically going to be one of those ones where you're looking at solving problems where there are hundreds of lines and you've got to pick out the bits important. But that's it, and if you learn all these different rules and use the phrases that I've been using as I've been going through, you'll be fine.